This is a 2-minute summary of how to see London, which is slightly ridiculous because you really need 7 days to see London. But here we go with a quick snapshot of 2 walking tours right through the center that bring you to many of the highlights. Trafalgar Square, Piccadilly Circus, Leicester Square, Covent Garden, Soho, and many out-of-the-way sights. Details of our route coming up in a moment. Central London is a compact, flat area, less than 1 square mile, and filled with historic buildings, lively shops, restaurants, street entertainers, and lots of people out enjoying a walk. This particular itinerary is based on my practical experience as a tour guide for the past 30 years, leading different variations of this route many times. I have to admit that while I have led tours all over Europe, London is my favorite city, and this walk includes my best-loved parts of town, which makes this activity my #1 all-time travel tip. I am presenting here one big walk divided in 2 parts. In the morning, start at Trafalgar Square and head up through Leicester Square, Piccadilly Circus, Regent, Oxford and Bond Streets, St. James, and back to Trafalgar Square. About 3 miles altogether. Part 2 also starts in Trafalgar Square, over to Covent Garden, then up to Soho and nearby streets for about 2 miles. Plus there's an option at the end of the morning walk to go over and look at the changing of the guards. This is only a preview of the longer program about 2 walking tours in central London that will be available here next week. Be sure to subscribe so that you'll be notified. I'll leave you with some wild bongo music from Piccadilly Circus and more scenes of London.